Serving helps me grow in my relationship with Christ.
Serving makes me feel like I'm a part of something bigger than myself.
Serving helps me establish a connection with my fellow brothers and sisters in Christ.
Serving allows me to experience God's presence in new ways.
Serving exposes part of my character that requires refining and allows me to grow.
Serving allows me use my skills
And talent for the kingdom.
Serving provides me a great sense of pride and ownership in our church.
Serving is part of my
My identity as a follower of Christ.
Serving helps me discover my
purpose and feel fulfilled.
Serving allows me to love others genuinely without reserve as I
Strive to follow Jesus' examples.
My name is Faye.
My name is Joy.
My name is Michael.
My name is Adebola.
My name is Toluwani Labiodan.
This is why I serve.
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 So join the League of Ordinary People, being used by an extraordinary God to propagate the good news of the kingdom. Join a service unit today.
To indicate interest in joining a service unit, log into the NCH website, that is newchdallas.com, or download the app, click on Connect, and then click on Servant Leader Opportunities and fill out the electronic form. New Covenant House, a place to believe, belong, and become.